In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-renew in GoDaddy. Whether you're making changes to your domain management strategy or simply want more control over your renewal processes, disabling auto-renew can be a useful step. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and in the search bar, type in GoDaddy. Hit Enter and navigate to the official GoDaddy website. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password, and if you have two-step verification enabled, make sure to complete that process to secure your login. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to access your domain portfolio. To do this, look for the menu that houses your domain management tools. This can vary based on your screen size or any updates GoDaddy might have implemented. Once you locate it, select the Domain Portfolio option. It might take a moment to load, especially if you manage a large number of domains, so don't worry if it's not instantaneous. After your domain list appears, identify the individual domain for which you want to disable auto-renew. This might be a personal domain or a business one, depending on your needs. Take your time to make sure you're selecting the correct domain, since making changes to the wrong one could disrupt your plans. With your chosen domain highlighted, look for the section labeled Renew, also known as the Renew card. This area allows you to manage renewal settings such as the cycle and the auto-renewal feature itself. Here, you'll find a toggle switch showing options labeled On and Off. Currently, it's set to On, signifying that auto-renew is obviously enabled for this domain. Simply click on the toggle to switch it from on to off. Once you do this, a prompt might pop up confirming your decision to disable auto-renew. Make sure to review any details they present so you're fully informed of what the change entails. Finally, select the Continue button, which seals your decision and saves the changes you've just made. This step is crucial because it tells the system to remember your new preference, effectively stopping automatic renewals for that domain. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off auto-renew in GoDaddy. This will give you more hands-on management of your domain renewal processes going forward. Keep an eye on your renewal dates to ensure you renew manually if you wish to keep your domain. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides like this one.